Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that I think could have a lot of potential, especially as we get closer to the month of November. So the niche is Roevember, which is in the Roe v. Wade niche. And if you remember a month or 2 months ago, that this was a very popular niche. It was probably the best niche over the summer. And the meaning of Roevember is that in November there's going to be the midterm primary elections. So if we go right here, you'll see 2022 midterm primary elections, and a lot of people in the states are making references to that Roe v. Wade is going to be on the ballot. So this is going to be a very popular niche as we get closer to November. And so the phrase is Roevember, but you can also use it as see you in Roevember. I also saw vote in Roevember. You can just go type in like Roe v. Wade onto Amazon. You can see other designs, and you can just switch out some of the words and use Roevember to get ideas. But in my opinion, in my experience, I think this is going to be a really good niche, especially since people, especially women in the States, are very passionate about this this case right here that's going on with Roe v. Wade. So this is some of the designs on merch here. You're going to see that the competition is extremely low. We're only at 93 at recording of this video. I already got some designs up, and I plan on designing for more because I'm pretty confident in this niche. And when we look at the trademark, Roevember, hit and enter, we'll see that nothing pops up. So it's good to go there. If you look on Etsy, you'll get some good ideas on some other ways you can use this phrase. So right here, Roevember is coming. Now this is a little kind of boring in my opinion. You probably want to do something a little more like better quality design. But here we get some more ideas. So vote this Roevember. What's this one say? Remember to vote this Roevember. Stand with women. Vote. So if you come to Etsy, you can get a lot of good ideas. Now, obviously, you don't want to do an exact copy. Just come here, get some ideas, try and be original. This looks pretty cool right here. So you can add in the uterus. If we go and take a look at the competition, we're going to see that there's only 151 results. So again, Roevember seems to be very low in competition. On Redbubble, which is usually always the most competitive, only 46 results. TeePublic is also going to be low as well. So yeah, this looks like a very a good opportunity for us, right? Because again, since we saw how Roe v. Wade was such a huge niche, and as we get closer to November, if you have designs in this niche that are good quality, spread across all platforms on all products, I think you're going to have a good chance to get some sales. You want to use phrases like Roe v. Wade, Roe vs. Wade, 1973. You can kind of take a look at some other designs on merch to get some keyword ideas. But this is going to be the niche for today. So go ahead and get your designs up, put them on all platforms, put them on all products. And that's basically it for this video. If you like this kind of content where I basically put out niche ideas for print-on-demand, merch by Amazon, design ideas basically, consider subscribing and make sure to click the bell so that you never miss a video. I got some affiliate links in the description if you're interested, so check it out. Vexels, FIverr, Printful, things like that. I even got some courses on Skillshare, so you can click on those if you're interested. And then make sure to click the video up at the top here on my latest video so you don't miss out on that one either. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.